Hi, it's Jen from Dizzy Quilter. I have my newest Island Batik Ambassador Box. It has arrived. I'm going to unbox it now. It's the first time it's been a beautiful day here where the temperatures were tolerable, so I'm outside. And also everybody in the house is sleeping and snoring because it's nap time. So I'm going to open up my box with my fancy knife that my brother found for me. Got some kind of rainbow thing, and I guess when he sees rainbows he thinks that would be perfect for me. And it's great for opening boxes. This is exciting because I've used a lot of my fabrics for my first box. So I'm eager to see what's in here. Let's see. So first there is an Aurifil tote bag that says Aurifil USA 10 years old. Is this? Looks like everything's backwards. I know there's a setting, but I don't know what it is. I'll fix that someday. They've given me a color card for Aurifil thread. It has all the colors printed, not in thread. And then another color chart for the Lana wool thread. Ooh, maybe there's some of that in there. That's kind of fun to work with. And some more information on Aurifil thread. And a sticker. And let's see, a large spool of this creamy color. That'll come in handy for piecing. And then, ooh. Alright, I've seen these before because I've been to one of Alex Veronelli's seminars. This is a sample pack of small spools of everything they make in the line. And let's see. So the wooden ones are cotton. So this is cotton in an 80 weight. This is Lana wool in a 12 weight. This is cotton floss. This one is, I'm not sure, probably cotton. It says Mako. So I think that's a 28 weight cotton, a 40 weight cotton, another 50 weight cotton, and then a 12 weight cotton also. I thought there were two wools last time. Maybe not. Maybe I'm confused. Alright, so that was from Aurifil. Thank you. Those will be fun to work with, and I like the green color too. So my first Island Batik thing is a pre-cut bundle. It's called a stack of 10-inch squares, and this color is called Lavender Sage. This actually goes really nicely with the Mountain's Majesty I had last time, which I still have some of left. That might be a beautiful quilt together. There is a pre-cut bundle from All A Flutter. It's a strip pack, like a jelly roll. And it's got some great coordinates. This red with pink dragonflies, and a pink with lighter pink birds. Aren't those pretty? And then those are the strip pack. I love those cuts. I've just discovered jelly roll rug, so I'm excited to make a batik jelly roll rug. Oh, another 10-inch square pack, and this is all polka dots. This is called Paisley Dot Brights. Wow, look at those colors. Oh, this is going to be a fun way to end the year as an ambassador. So there's also a bunch of cuts. Let's see, I got, 5 yards of a neutral fabric, and this is, I guess this neutral is called almond, but it looks a lot like the whipped cream that I use. That's great, because I use so much of it at the first half of the year. It's great to get some more that's more neutral than the last one that I got. So let's see, these are, Check It Out is the pattern, and I've got this kind of pinky brown, a purple and plum, and then a light purple. Those are great, and those are, looks like a yard of each. Those will be really fun to play with. I also got a foundation bundle of Batik foundations. So there's this periwinkle color. The colors are a little off because I'm under this gold umbrella we've got. So there's a periwinkle with dots, a pink floral, ooh, a really nice purple kind of, they call it marble, with some swirls. Can you see those? More of this red dot. I had some of this last time. I like playing with this one. a plum color marbly book, a blue, peach, and this is beautiful, this color. What do they call this? Garnet. I really like that one. Those would be great to play with. There is also some basic solid fabrics. So there's a gray, a white, and a black. And they feel like batiks, but they're all a solid color. That's interesting. I wonder if that's something new. I'll have to go read about it on the website. There's a surprise bundle of fabric, which I don't get to share probably until November or December. And then let's see, there's batting. Here is a Hobbs Heirloom Natural Cotton, queen size. I've not tried this one. I use a lot of Hobbs, but this is different than what I usually get. That's great. A Hobbs Tuscany Collection wool. It's a throw size. It's so fluffy. I love wool batting, especially if I'm going to do any handwork. The needle really glides through it. And then another Hobbs, oh, it's the same thing. Another Hobbs wool Tuscan collection. So that is great. That is my Island Batik box for this season, I guess. And I will put some pictures of close-ups on my website, and I'll try to get the colors a little bit more accurate than what they were here. So that was exciting. Thanks to Island Batik, Hobbs, and Aurifil for all of my goodies. Bye.